Greetings, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel, your compass for unraveling the secrets of financial wisdom. Today, our focus revolves around a pivotal principle from Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, Cash Flow Quadrant. Our focus: empowering individuals to acquire business knowledge as a gateway to wealth, offering practical pathways to transition to the B quadrant. This groundbreaking framework classifies individuals into four distinctive windows: E for employee and S for self-employed or small business owner, representing the left side, and B for big business owner and I for investor, defining the right side. The left side often gravitates towards the illusion of job security, while the right side harnesses the power of financial intelligence for wealth creation. Kiyosaki's book disrupts conventional beliefs about money, offering a unique and revolutionary perspective on the intricate art of wealth creation. Let's embark on a detailed exploration of this paradigm shift, unraveling the distinctions between the left and right sides, and uncover the keys to navigating the complex landscape of financial prosperity. 1. The path to wealth in the I quadrant. In the I quadrant, marked for investors, Kiyosaki outlines that the journey to success demands time, capital, and a fair share of failures, resources that may be limited for many. To bridge this gap, aspiring wealth creators can embark on a journey to the B quadrant, the realm of big business owners, by acquiring a profound understanding of successful business operations. In this quadrant, true investors identify and invest in stable businesses with robust systems. The key to flourishing in the I quadrant lies in grasping the intricacies of both systems and people. 2. Building a robust system in the B quadrant. For those eyeing the B quadrant, the key to sustained success is twofold: crafting an airtight system and assembling a team of top-tier individuals to navigate that system. Kiyosaki emphasizes that the B quadrant requires a deep understanding of business mechanisms and human dynamics. Unlike the E employee and S self-employed quadrants, where personal efforts are the primary drivers, the B quadrant relies on the synergy of a well-designed system and a proficient team. 3. Transitioning from the left to the B side. Making the leap from the left side to the B side is an ambitious yet achievable endeavor. He outlines 3 strategic pathways for this transition. Get a mentor, not an advisor. Seek guidance from a mentor who has navigated the B quadrant successfully. A mentor provides invaluable insights, wisdom, and practical advice to streamline your journey. Buy a franchise. Acquiring a franchise offers the opportunity to operate within a proven system. This approach allows individuals to benefit from an established brand, operational structure, and support while learning the intricacies of business. Explore network marketing. Often known as multi-level marketing or direct distribution systems, network marketing offers a unique avenue for individuals to step into the B quadrant. This approach leverages networks and collaborations, fostering entrepreneurial growth. 4. The role of financial education. Central to his teachings is the significance of financial education. The journey to the B quadrant is not solely about external strategies but also about developing a deep understanding of financial principles. Individuals seeking to transition to the B side must invest in their financial education. This involves learning about accounting, investing, understanding markets, and comprehending the language of money. The B quadrant demands a financial literacy that goes beyond the basics, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of wealth creation. 5. The power of leverage in wealth creation. Leverage, a concept often associated with the B and I quadrants, plays a pivotal role in wealth creation. In the B quadrant, successful business owners leverage systems, time, and the collective efforts of their team. Understanding how to effectively use leverage is a crucial aspect of business knowledge. Whether it's leveraging financial instruments in investments or optimizing processes in a business, the ability to multiply efforts and resources is a hallmark of those thriving in the B quadrant. 6. The mindset shift. Transitioning from the left side to the B side involves a profound mindset shift. He emphasizes the importance of cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset focused on creating and adding value. Unlike the E and S quadrants, where individuals are often trading time for money, the B quadrant demands a shift towards creating scalable value. 7. Navigating challenges in the B quadrant. While the B quadrant offers immense opportunities for wealth creation, it is not without challenges. Successful business owners must navigate through market fluctuations, economic uncertainties, and the intricacies of managing a team. Understanding how to mitigate risks, adapt to changing circumstances, and make strategic decisions is crucial. 8. The intersection of passion and profit. He often emphasizes the importance of aligning passion with profit. While the B quadrant requires a strategic approach, successful business owners often find fulfillment and satisfaction in what they do. This intersection of passion and profit not only enhances motivation but also contributes to long-term success and sustainability in the B quadrant. In conclusion, the journey from the left side of the cash flow quadrant to the B quadrant is a transformative expedition that demands a multifaceted approach. It involves acquiring business knowledge, investing in financial education, embracing a new mindset, and leveraging both systems and people. As we navigate through the various sections of this exploration, remember that the principles discussed are not mere theoretical concepts but actionable steps towards financial success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intricacies of the B quadrant. If you found value in this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of financial wisdom. Check out the links in the description for helpful financial products, and as you continue your financial journey, remember that each step towards expanding your business knowledge brings you closer to the realm of financial freedom. Until next time, stay financially empowered.